Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Green Dot Prepaid Card step by step clearly. First, take your Green Dot card and confirm the not active sticker is still on it. Turn the card over and locate the customer service phone number and website printed on the back. Make sure you have a stable internet connection or a phone signal before you start. Prepare a valid government-issued ID, because activation may require identity verification. Have your social security number ready if the system asks for it during activation. Find your card's 16-digit number on the front and keep it visible. Locate the expiration date on the front of the card and note it down. Locate the CVV security code on the back of the card and keep it private. If you receive the card as a replacement, confirm it matches your name and mailing address. Choose your activation method, online through the website or by calling the automated phone line. For online activation, open a browser and go to the official Green Dot site shown on your card packaging or back of the card. Click the option that says Activate Card or Register Card on the website. Enter the 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on the front. Enter the expiration date and the CVV security code when prompted. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. Enter your date of birth carefully and double-check the format before continuing. Provide your home address and make sure it matches your current mailing information. Enter your mobile phone number and email address so you can receive alerts and verification codes. Create a username and a strong password if you are asked to set up an online account. Set up security questions or multi-factor authentication if the website offers it. Review all details on the screen and correct any spelling mistakes before submitting. Submit the activation request and wait for the confirmation message that the card is active. For phone activation, call the customer service number printed on the back of your card. Select the language option and choose the menu item for card activation. Follow the automated prompts to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Confirm your personal information when asked, including name, address, and date of birth. Listen for the final message confirming that your Green Dot card has been successfully activated. After activation, sign the back of the card immediately and set up PIN access if prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.